Welcome back to the channel. If first time you watch Thuga TV and you not subscribe yet, something wrong. Remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Please, me I beg you. If you don't new, big up to you if you watch long time and still support the channel. See do you know what I mean? So watch ya. Want to drop a comment down below. Drop an honest comment because the man you go hit. You see you don't wanna name? You get what you don't get. So you know what that mean? If you don't know what I mean, stay tuned and watch the whole of the video. The movie, you understand? So the movie is reality. Them things are going out in the world and you just have to open your eye. You understand? If you don't have a loyal girl at your foot, something wrong. You have to just find the right one where I will stay by your side through broke days, through hungry days, everything, you know what I mean? So do what you have to do and take it easy. And remember, like, share and subscribe. I'm going to go over to KIERA'S fashion. Long time to promote the page. The page been stuck for a while. Now I get to promote really. So I want to go over there buy up some product, you know what I mean? Buy up some wall sticker, buy up some LED light. Look closely over the bar suit. You go over there and see link out there in the description. So remember, if you don't subscribe now and click the notification bell to all. Because if you don't do that, you now get the notification when we post a new brand new movie. So stay tuned for that one.
Who is that? Who is it? Cassandra? Just come now. You're gonna say a stranger.
Good night.
Hi. No, I'm just packing the dishes. Have a seat, welcome. What's up, girl? I was just out. I don't mean.
I like the palm my brain. Then I think about a lot.
Money.
I like to want a job.
Where does that make 7 of us? 7.
Anyways, who wants the bathroom? Can you do that?
No, please look at yourself. Fix up yourself. I'll fix up on me. This best friend, she's so weird. I know so we're best friend. Let's go fix it.
Yo. Come on.
Yo, come on. It's what?
Let me ask you, you know something like it one. Hold on, man. You know something like it one. Go on Facebook, but just make sure so you can keep them out and make up money.
I'm best friend.
Let me ask you.
I'm a best friend.
Do you want me to just put a number in it?
Just like that.
The number.
Just like that.
So what happened to you?
No, cockroach, me just stay all over my job. You know, like cockroach, you know, the reason the place not keep clean.
I run to not keep the place clean. And you live here.
I just show something I'm busy, you know. Sometimes I'm really busy.
So you're not keep the place clean because you're busy.
I'm trying, you know, work of me sometime.
I have to also.
What? Can I employ you?
No. You're hungry already?
Yeah.
Anyways, now come go home.
So your man is, you're just curious, total stranger, win. Who is you?
I'm boyfriend. Boyfriend is my best friend. Angel.
Nice meeting you, Angel.
I never want my name. One extent of my name.
Alright.
Make sure say I treat my best friend good, you know.
I'm not sure right now.
And make sure say I treat my two big friend good.
As always. Anyways, we'll go home and cook because hear me saying hungry. Give me everyone.
Nice.
Bye.
Okay. Alright. Hello? Yeah, girl, what's up? You good? I'm just here eating some nice food I just prepared, you know? Oh, your boyfriend is over. Yeah, you're one man. One man cannot hold me. Yeah, girl. 3 man, I have 3 of them. 3 ugly man. But them things that them alone I have stupid. No, sir. One man cannot keep me, girl. Why you busy? You can't talk to me now. Enjoy your one man. So I'm enjoying me food when I eat. Alright. So now one man.
Angel. Angel.
May I come? Whatever. Smell fresh. What is surprise? I could have come say I come.
I need to go. Because your place and my place and just open it and see you like that.
Alright, so. I'm glad to say I'm rich, but guess what? I got a job. And it means you can just pop up anytime I'm in place. Because sometimes I might come, I might not be here. And I don't want you to waste a darling fear.
No, listen now. Remember now. You see, you're wrong for give me in the case. If you give me, I can't stop coming. You see me? Because last night you called me and you tell me some dirty things. And you just get my hand and see if you just drive come over here. But you never open me. I get a call.
Wait, my food I eat
Hello?
in your car.
Yeah, I call her back now. So call her back. Where you eat food?
I was eating before you come.
You better put on your food, because right now I come over here at eating time and not eating time. Because down on the road, me and my friend them drink some rum. And I just stand up. Tiffs up.
Tasty. Alright?
Come on.
Okay, baby.
Come on, beat and teach now. Come on.
think I could have managed, man.
What do you mean by?
But if I make you a 2 round, you still want one more.
Wow, I just love it. Like, that thing inside of me.
Man, don't worry yourself though, man. I make you nice, man, isn't it? Because I tell you, once me have money, you will have money. So as I say, you do want work. So just do it, man. You pull up, I said, do and make sure I say you're nice, isn't it?
You know I love you, right?
You know, I love it, right?
You're the guy I want to marry.
And I want to marry you too.
Now children and start a family. I love you.
Love you too.
And I even love the sex.
I'm gonna go show out right now, though.
Okay.
You just have me a sweat.
So I could go. Wow. Mine.
Right now, I know I want nothing more for later.
Let's say about that.
Maybe if I'm ready again later, I'm gonna come back.
Okay.
I'm back on the road and
Okay.
you don't want to go in and show us still and maybe do it again, but time around, so see you later.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
Alright. You know your way out, right?
Of course.
Okay, call me.
I will.
Okay. No, you terrible. Things that me love you. Only thing me love is body and money. Only thing me love. I can't wait till Luke come over later. Call him now. That's why I love it because it's silly like me. Alright, later. Mama tiny?
Yeah, come in that one. Yeah, come in there.
Of course.
I know it's another round more right now. Go on. You know where it's. Come on, man, I do things fast now.
Yeah, something so strong.
I depend on fast move. Yeah, sorry, you know. And another time we link you. What do you do, my dear?
Finish some old chores.
Oh.
And then get tidy the kitchen.
So no other man come over here.
Never. The blood of Jesus back to sender. I am not like that.
You sure?
Faithfulness is in my eyes. Look at me. Why would I cheat on you? You treat me so good. Why would I?
Take up my phone or something.
Are you cheating me?
No, me just tell you. Make sure you know that. No man if you come over here. A man come over here neck clip cut.
Never.
Whoa. A serious thing with that man looking at me eye. Serious as a judge. Know that.
Give me a look for you.
To be there first, I get that good look, but may I go? Alright. Oh, you need to make call, yes?
You have to.
Alright.
Okay, baby.
Come back. Oh man, if you come over here.
Never.
Alright.
When you're both. Hey! Next, a woman. Hello?
Hello, what's up?
What's up? I'm good.
How can I call this 9 a.m.?
You call me and you asking me that? What do you mean?
No, because things you call me. Did you call me before?
No, babe.
Things you call me, so I'm going to call about. So what can I call? I call me, come and see the missed call, you know?
Well, honestly, I'm
Because
not.
my time, I'm telling you the phone. So my time, the phone itself, give me a delay, like I live 1 week before. So that, remember they call me then the messages are coming. I don't know where I'm before.
Guess what, though? I'm not feeling so well. I'm feeling sick. I need some of your medicine.
Now, this is so that, yeah?
Yes, sweetie.
Alright, I saw you work with their program. Give me about next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, alright?
5 is fine. 5 is fine. 10 is too long.
No, but I just sleep doing it because I'll just come straight in now.
Yeah, and get me a soup on the way if you can.
Yeah, that, if you go now, because I'll come with them in their one place, I probably think I touch up on me. But just come from the next road, side road, I'm following. But me, if you see it, we get it, alright?
Okay, sweetie.
Yeah, man.
I walk good. Love you.
Yeah, man. Never wait.
Some TikTok.
So you want the TikTok? Where's your one now? You want to work out?
Feel sick.
If you're sick, what was your sickness? You want injection?
Yeah, I want you to just come and inject me with your long gun.
You can't do that.
You know, I always on my condom because I just don't need a child at the moment. So, what do you need? Rough Rider or this other one?
No, one of them.
Okay.
Always shy when I'm doing this, right? Always shy.
Why you shy? You know, easy, you know. Hurry up now.
You know? We're gonna shit. Do like. Oh, but yeah, you're not gonna shit time up. So you're not even gonna.
Never.
Are you playing with the toys them?
Maybe not.
Maybe. Don't play the toys them on the something them. Cause it'll make you wide out here.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Oh, you're the best.
You laugh good like you enjoy it. When you're a ball a while ago, you laugh. You're Gina, you know. Are you acting like I'm doing it good?
You are the best of the best.
But when I said best, that means that there's somebody else there.
No, I mean as compared to the past.
I'm better than all of the extent.
All of them. Okay, Mr. Z.
How you feel better now? We see you feel better. Okay?
Wow. I needed that.
Alright, so. Now I'm going to go on the work.
You hear the soup?
No, I'm going to get no soup, but later, I'll go buy some soup to come here. Here, call the people. When they come road, I'll go.
You kiss have a job before you leave.
Huh?
Kiss.
You know my rule already. No kissing. Later.
Bye, darling. Wow! Come now. Stop calling and come. I watch some play. Just come in, man.
You know something I like how you're dealing with all this stuff.
It's just the mood swing, so you know me by
I
now.
thought I said, come in and some deal with that rubbish.
Come now. Wow.
Yo, me I should go down and
Alright.
Yeah, watch babe.
You just appear so.
What do you mean? You have somebody else coming? Eh? No, yeah, dear. In the box, in your feet.
It's not like that, but either way, you're supposed to let me know say you're coming. I'm expect you today.
I come anytime.
All that, but I shouldn't stress out.
Let me say so.
I'm broke. I need money.
Let me need money. To do what?
I'm a woman and why I need money?
Hold this.
We can't own money with no
Hold
time.
this here. Come on.
How much money this?
You know, have to check, you don't know really how much.
I need to check it.
Come on.
Yeah, if we get here,
No,
money
I'm volunteer in a business for that. Come on.
Who you know? Me kind of feel
I
tired.
don't want to right now. That come over there for. Come on. Come on, babe. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Take that condom off your hand. Soon take it and tomorrow I'm there. I'm not liar. Hold that. Soon take it. Make sure you know nobody else come there.
Sure. Every day comes the same thing. Is what? Yeah, give my man.
Yeah, map though.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi na long years yun, no? Really not long years. But I don't know, what just done some sila energy. And I don't know phone for me. But me get a call. You understand, say, you feel like you need a call, because your body's calling, so you fire, but check that data there. I don't know, nice or not. You know what I mean? Because what you get some, but you don't get enough. So let's say you want to put 9 here, you must go for everything. Tired?
I joke.
From here. You're good though.
Always when you're alone.
We work on our work here now. Try to sell something, you see? Let's smart down and stall about when I finish now, but down there, you see? You know, getting, you have to call it. Why? You just look, you see how you want more, you know? You see how you jump up and back, you want more. You can't come back. Hmm?
It's not what it's saying, it's about our clear for the connection, chemistry.
But me I say, too much height. You get too much height and now. Well, anyway.
So that means never stop sex me?
No man. Don't me say but
You wait again.
feel better. But when we come back, here. Jayo.
Next month, please.
No, when we come back. When we come back, here. No, some of them I start for you.
Alright.
I'm going to get some money.
Alright.
What do you have money for the meeting?
Yeah. You need to. You need to.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh. Hungry. Come on. Cassandra,
Hello?
it's me.
Alright, what's up?
Girl, I needed to come over. Can you? It's urgent. I'm sick.
You're sick.
I'm sick. Me I vomit.
Hey! You have a vomit.
Shit, somebody. Sure. Hello? Sorry about that. You hear me?
Yeah, me, I hear you.
Alright, just come over. Can you?
I something did I do no, but alright, me I come.
I need you. Like, right now, Cassandra. You're my best friend. And I can trust you. Just come.
Alright, me I forward.
Alright, cool.
Hello?
Cassandra.
Yes, but there a gate. Pull the gate.
Alright. Now come meet here.
Alright.
Cool.
Why you look like that? And I want you're drinking in your hand.
It's water, but no, that's why I called it. Let's just come inside. Come now. I'm tired, exhausted.
Well, you didn't do this tired.
Refresh yourself, please. Thank you.
Which part you go?
Veranda. Oh, sorry about that. Have a seat.
No, you sit down.
You sure?
So what you say, do you know?
Girl, I'm not sure, you know. I'm not sure. I experience some symptoms I'm not like. It's just so unusual. Me have vomit, me head that hurt me can't eat anything and it just stay inside of me. Me exhausted, me miserable, me angry. I don't know what happened to me. Honestly, I'm confused right now.
Who breed you?
What?
Who breed you? Because me specifically remember say, you tell me say, you can't keep one man. You can stay like me and keep one man. So which one out of them man there breed you? Are you not use condom?
Me barren, me can't have any children. I understand some have 3 man and maybe more, but me using condom, me having sex, but me can't breed. Me not breeding, me can't, no. What's a breed? Hey.
You listen. Go check out yourself. Because them the symptoms the way I tell me, I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. Me not have time for you on this. Me I go home because we did a tidy up my house. Me I cook for my man, you alright. But you can't keep one man. Go check
In
yourself.
time of desperate need, you're leaving because of your ugly man.
You see, if you did keep one man, this would reach you.
Me never said I'm pregnant. Me just called
And
you.
me I tell you, so you're breathing now. Go test yourself and see if I lie me I tell.
Breed. Are you pregnant?
Me?
So why you spinning upon me and not tell me say me breeding and you breed? You breed? You gonna be godmother?
You know how be a foolish to say a chat. Me I'll cook my man dinner before you start ring down my phone. You alright?
Go on.
That's alright.
Go on, man, I broke your foot. More one man. Where one man I go? Can't believe that Cassandra did right. Call her over here, man, call this lady crowd. Pregnant. Jeez. Pull her down, pull her, man. Hello? Cassandra? Me need to come over now. Yeah, mama, win the lottery, just come over now. Alright, me do home. Cool. Alright, now we playing up. Alright, best friend. Boy. Cassandra?
Good night.
Night.
Good night.
I'm so you look so.
Now, oh my look.
Like a surprise.
Anyways, they carry crowd.
Where crowded?
I went to the doctor. As I
Why you move so?
oh me a move.
Like you're scared or something.
Yes, of course I'm scared. I call her as a best friend to come tell her my problem or my business. When I look, you carry Trump, you carry the one day, you carry the entire parliament with you. Are you alright? 1 + 1 is 2. That's multiple. That's more than 1. That's enough. That's too much.
Anyways, forget about that. What you say now?
Let him stay outside. I'm talk to you inside.
No, I'm not stay right
No, I'm not move with no one.
Alright, best friend. Congrats. I'll put Junior inside me growing.
I will tell them the man them put in there.
What is it?
Which one out of the 3 man put in there?
You always come to me too raw. Too straightforward. I don't like you sometimes, you know?
That's why people are like me.
Sometimes I don't like you. I'm my best friend, but I don't like you
But if
sometimes.
you want the truth, who put them there? Who put them in?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. You're not sure who breed you. That's why he could keep 1 man. You see, if you did not keep 1 man, that could reach you.
1 man cannot keep me. 1 man just cannot keep me because I love sex. I like it morning, noon, night, every single clock of the hour.
Hold on. But 1 man can get it.
No. The man have a busy sometimes.
So because I love sex, I want you do every single minute of the day. You know, they will dig time and Harry.
Cassandra, you're the collection, right? From I know me, you know, so 2 things I love. Money and body. As I see me, MD, BD.
So let me ask that question. The 3 man, they give you
BMI.
money? They give you money? They mind you? I then just come to sex and just move.
Look how the girl that talk to me though, Lord, in front of man.
And
In front of man, you could embarrass me in front of your man.
Sorry, you never but be honest.
I would never do this, you know. never embarrass in front of my man. Never.
Say not shame yourself. Oh, God. Where you pick the papa?
Remember.
You don't remember?
I don't know what I'm going to do. Right now, it's either abort is one, give the treat, man them the picnic, or just run away, or start like the one next man. 3 options.
Aborting a child is not an option.
I don't like abortion, but what else am I going to do?
They can't. From if they are your friend, they can't abort nothing yourself. You're going to carry it. Because you go and picnic if you come.
I'm not sex to breed. I'm sex to
What
have
you
fun.
expect? What you expect? Picnic are gonna come. Picnic mean responsibility.
Sometimes I use condom. Not all the time. Sometimes I use condom.
So if them broken you.
Man, I will tell me that. Men these days are going to tell me that.
Okay.
Me that.
Okay, but you use condom sometime and I know your personal man them.
The try them single.
God go with you.
The try them things are male on them have. So them say, so them think. Them are idiot. Stupid.
God go with you.
Always. Always.
God not go with you this time. God
Come on,
can't help
too
you.
much talking. Come on.
They
Anyway.
can go, but next time I call you, don't like carry a big fat problem and we don't like come up
No,
place,
it's
you know.
just like
Come out.
Come.
Is that pity some of tell my business? Where you want the box thing? Come on, man. And don't go now. Don't come back. Unfriendly friend. Can't bother with it. Sure. Hello,
Oh, man, no.
baby.
Yeah.
Hello.
I hear you.
You sure you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, man, no.
Oh boy, I'm not hungry. Me I feed for 2.
Just cook boss something over there, man. I soon check that.
You hear me say?
Huh?
Me I feed for 2.
Feed for who?
For 2.
So, I don't mind that.
What?
What I mean, you have feed for 2. I don't mind picnic. I'm broken at you.
10,000 times I earn.
I know, my picnic that.
What you
So
mean
now
by?
call me name, Panny.
What you mean?
Listen me, listen me.
After my lie to you, babe.
Listen me, look.
Eh?
Remember me and my wife a yard.
Me can't swear upon the moon, the star, the cross, so you're the
Listen
only
me.
man go between my legs.
Listen me. Remember me and my wife a yard, so me now
Wife?
broke out of the yard.
After me think so you're the only woman, me the only woman you have.
Listen me not broke out of the yard. Me broke in a man. You understand?
Yo, come on from the phone, come on.
I know my picnic that find your baby father, yeah?
You see you?
When you find him, you call me back. Later.
Rubbish. Yo. strike me. Bad news. I'm sorry, I hear. You're gonna become a father before time. I know we never planned for it, but congrats.
What do you mean?
May I breathe?
You know, say I breathe, but I don't know.
As in the gun where you use to inject me, it go up far. The long john with the curve. Babe.
Tell her one thing.
Baby.
You listen me?
May I hear you?
Every time that we do have sex, I use a condom, right?
And so?
And every time I check, because I don't really trust people really. So I check every time I use a condom, I check the condom first or anything. So, you know what I mean? So, it's impossible to get a female pregnant through condom. And I don't kiss none at all. So that means that there's no way at all. There's no connection physically. And I don't put my finger in it.
Lie you are tell, lie. You love lick and touch and whatever. Eh? You come at the ice cream. Sir, stop irritating my spirit now. You're the only man I ever sleep with in my lifetime. You're the only man. Apart from my ex who raped me back then.
I don't know where you are there.
What?
You're talking to me. Well, we don't want that really. Because I'm not going to know.
I want to talk to Curious King.
Oh, online this one.
The Rasta man.
Oh, no, this is Kevin. No, you take off on the road. Oh, you're not there.
So you really gonna just sex me out and breed me out and left me out? You serious?
Hello. You may not know that I know that you have two other man from your other one.
The blood of Jesus a lie. I know me.
Every time.
I know me. I'm the triplet sisters. I know me.
You know how I know? I leave a camera in the kitchen the last time I came here. And I checked it the next year. Guys, you should not clean the place all the while. I put it down on the KIERA. I'm not saying I'm clean the place all the dirty and morning.
The blood of Jesus. I a Rasta. I don't like wash.
So, that's how it goes. So, guys, say,
Kevin.
you
If
are.
you don't want my opinion, you can just say that, but don't come discriminate me and style me.
No, what I'm saying though, if you never there anybody read, you don't know who is the father. It's one of the next two you with them, and I have a great man go and tell your best friend, say, him man, in I too, right? So, I know the game where they are played, that's why I see every time you say you want a kiss my jaw, so later, you know what I mean?
I dare you, Kevin. Go ahead.
I haven't received.
You don't love your life. Go and go tell my best friend. Go and go tell her. As I tell her, say, I'm a triplet sisters. Miss a triplet.
Later, we're going to enter now, very loud.
Hey!
Come on, try to talk to you about them, come back inside later, right?
It's a wicked, dirty, Rasta giant man. Come on from the phone.
How are you go? Are you my come to?
I
So why the hide they just sound so?
girl, I want to talk to you.
Boy.
You know I love you, right? We're best friends from high school. From all the way in Kingston, all girls school, the Queen's school, the best school. I love you dearly, you're my best friend.
Well, yeah,
And
come
I
back,
think it's best to just confess the truth to you. I need to confess.
Confess about what?
Cassandra, I stabbed you in your back. I mean, you see your man? If he is a part of the DNA list, as in daddy not available list. He's one of the 3 guys.
Hold on, what that's supposed to mean? Oh, so you sleep with my man behind my back. And that you try to tell me?
Cassandra, I can explain.
What's there to explain?
You know, that's not me. That kind of baby is not me. It's just that, remember the first time I came over my house and we met? That day I placed my number in his phone because he requested my number.
So now everything I add up. That's why I did jump when I pulled the door.
Exactly. You know, this is not me. It's the devil from hell speaking, acting. It's not me. This is not me. This is not Angel. I'm an
And you
angel
have
from
the
God.
audacity to stand up in front of me to my face and tell me, say, you sleep with my man. And I father for your pitney.
I'm not saying he's a father. I pray not. I hope not. It's possible though.
You know where the blood tell me for the right now?
You love me. Forgive me.
Forgive you. You know more grab me right now. Let go my hand. Let go my hand.
Cassandra.
The Cassandra me.
Cassandra.
Oh, you feel sleep with.
Cassandra. Cassandra.
Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You know, say this right here, sir. This between me and you, it's done.
Cassandra.
Because me would never know your boyfriend and go sleep with a man. What kind of style that?
Like
Don't touch me.
Let me say something.
Me don't want to hear
No,
nothing.
please, just 1 second, 1 second. Cassandra, you see, you know this guy, I was supposed to get married to. You know, his name is Omar, a guy in the past. When I was supposed to marry that guy and he was supposed to come to Jamaica to marry me, you know what he did? He betrayed me, and from then I become this promiscuous type. Like every man me see, me just want to skin it out to them. I just become so disgusting. I just become this bitch. This betrayal. I just start to hate men. Cassandra.
Listen,
Cassandra, please.
Pause. Me no want to hear nothing.
It's my past. The past is the problem, not me.
Me no want to hear nothing what you have to say. Because what of this way you tell me a bullshit. That no give you no right to sleep with my boyfriend. But I'm a fact bye. Me no want to hear nothing else.
Cassandra.
You sick my stomach.
I'm sorry. It's the devil speaking, not me. Jesus is Lord. Jesus, I think it's best to just commit suicide right now.
Yes, here is the end of the movie. So it was a good one, as you can see. I just want to drop your honest comment down below if you don't do it already. And remember, go over to KIERA'S fashion. Remember the link I got in the description. I don't know if now see it on screen, but if you see it, so but link already in the description. So now go in the link, click on the page, follow it and buy something over there, you understand? And then remember, go over to KIERA'S TV because some mad movie will drop over there smartly. So remember, turn on the post notification bell. If you do not do that, you're not gonna get notified when you post a new movie. Understand? So, and like the video too, like the video. So, until next time, just be safe and guidance on the road.